gonna go get positioned in the room where I'm gonna do this thing.
Well, nice to see you, brother.
Good to see you.
Thank you, brother. Good to see you.
What's up, brother? Nice to meet you. Listen, he looked damn good tonight. Obviously against a UFC vet. He made it look easy. Welcome to the UFC.
Wow! Mr. White, all the best. Our dreams come true, guys.
He's like 19-1. The guy's 29 years old, and he fought a UFC vet named Eric Spicely and knocked him out cold. He's ready for the UFC.
He's shaking. He doesn't expect.
Я скажу, я во сне.
He's in the dream. He's dreaming because we never expect that we come here. Thank you so much, Mr.
You're welcome, brother.
Thank you.
Congrats.